Emwa we mu no Ghana for omo kasa amumi ehwe omo yi. Now, my quick response in a way after mummy your main issue so. Na same Omampani Dada John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency Ababe Kasa Afa Ghana economy. On the anything economy no me tini di pe na emissary. So I said the mati Elvis every year ankra me tis akwa we di pe na makai mi krom se kube ba ko ye ton ne sen. Samukai on the team called Brazil o free Ghana kube ne day Elvis a free ankra under John Dramani Mahama NDC no ono nko atimi tu hu no ko Brazil no akwa ko to kube ba ko 5,000 na kube no Brazil for kwati free garden of edi mu kra ndingane bo be sa ye kan emmoa bi beba we gu page so akeka nkwasi asem emmoa bi beba be gu page so akeka nkwasi asem na me de ada me se me de fire ne bae no unim za wo ba kam ko wo ba tro nkwasi asem I'll give it to you equally because and then me de fire enenam ejatuato now John Dramani Mahama e kasa no o se Akufo-Addo emfre no na ombeje esikasem wontotoye advice hey na papa yi wakasa ohwe na chidie Mr. John former president ohwe wa chise ansa wo be kan asem na kire this economy we a serious business so we are not doing any economy ni bi ne ayo any economy we bi ne ayo any economy a ye de Ghana ska to daima mfunchi ni mpontrane wo East Legon no dabi eno de anke befrew eno de wo ya de wo ya expert enke befrew but this is an economy a free SHS the one a one kasa wo ka say just a 20 years and san economy ni betima hold this is an economy a teacher training alawa the one a wo ko twa totone ye say wuntumi. This is an economy about 21 taxes. What try to say a nuisance tax? Would be to second should be to condom so kaya yo nana jo mo tax. What can you nego? This is an economy nursing. This is an economy NAPCO. And the economy when there Miss what is will be come once and cry for a ticket, play the ostrich for a t-shirt at him now your body no jato abonte. We like it. Now your baby sow for what? Will legacy the ujato one and not the ebe me baby sow. The also jato one year. Electricity we paid more and had doom so. Under your watch. Now your phone. Oh, where is this phone? Me refi. Under your watch. Me not me walk Ghana no. Me back Ghana and I'm toss our phone. Your friend Mahama and you. Poti bi Ghana for them kai phone poti kakraka say power bank kura because you could not use Android and yes papa na there was Ghana for mu use phone dodo the phone a doors from Ghana dodo but this economy holds more phone than what you were managing and this is far beyond you. Please sit back and let us yanko why obianka say baby soon ponko papa kure urita enti Ghana no de ye be soon that is normal but we cannot attribute it to abino otisono. That is the fact I want to establish because amidst all oda kanim petrol boy den hwe NDC time akofo discover crude oil no omo ka say Johnson omo solid free parliament Johnson omo no betu petrol bi so omo say ye two petrol no aden na nyansam omo amie crude oil refinery ewo eho na nka ye two a yemfa enkwa manone anse akwa refinery. You know what we do? What the Ghana me two petrol team petrol board you are a joke. Ma me ka kiro ye fan crude oil na near the good ship ni akoton wa ma abrofo no nti abrofo no ton crude na no ma refine wi a no munya petrol ni gas ni no ma na no ma beton wa ma ye e dia ye to petrol enti say ye ton petrol no 1 gallon another 1 liter e wo mo set wo mo price to so say 1 liter bia ye beto no e bia $15 aban koto a was one fam 1 liter no on fam bra no on fam ba mejo 1 Ghana na wo ye tonfa so sa de ya de enti akufo do ba ye nyame ye adoma wo pamo dia wofuo yi abekum Ghana nation destroyers Congress NDC no free ho no akufo do ba no se da bi sika kwa ye de refine crude oil no eso dodo ene ye tisa de a mumam yensi oil refining me ka kire mo remind you say the wudini the criminal of Otuampofo treacherous being dangerous soul of Otuampofo as wicked as he is said on the tape say omobema country no ono no NDC ebema country na your ungovernable. I told you Ghanaians say so case obema country na your ungovernable a hardship no mo planning to on the Ghanaians. Now you thought I was joking. Someone who the Otuampofo nene do moye Otuampofo nene NDC so who do moye now person who NDC for character hwe omo ankasa omo kwoto aba me bo video bi a kyewo awudifo de enye won so omo timi gi double salary NDC chairman constituency chairman oye budget oikono wo so otok osara no po otok kokon 500 NDC chairman koko 500 en wo nko otodi oso otokoko onu nko koko 500 en a otodi na nkrofo no ebuafu tie Adena abeka this Adena abeka wo boom bukata omo di say ya no omo dey do national level enu nti enya nwanwa say circle interchange ma beka kire say what the 260 million ena ye enya nwanwa say ma di over 200 million etimi ye terminal in airport what the airport terminal now obi di 166 million I build a whole complete international airport to world standard ewon krom yankwa ebedu Ghana yankwa ye de gold na ye terminal nti no over 200 million US dollars ni baba akode aye na se oni chairman di koko 1 million we na yo mama kretu so aboko uji mi so na wate kretu so aboka uji mi so na wate we mu nyina na emwa na ne omo ma meda wo omo no emwa ni bia baso now the NDC talking no Mahama say Ghana yedin meba no so ohun me fa video bi enkyere mo Mahama say Ghana ayedin hwesika nko a watwa e de koma party 1.3 billion Ghana cedis or the koma party you can say NDC so omunye na omunko krom no omunya kwantwantro sika nko a watwa o nipa weti man mu ka kire wo say oman no imu ayeden sa odwene wo ho a sa 1.3 billion nipa ahin na betimi di aya adwuma na say be fidi mu but o say the party for nye no omun koso a entwantronto aban no so no omun mia communication FM station for na muntiti bi mu omunni na da bi omuba omunni akufu ado atem be keka nkwasa asem nkire Ghana for o twa de ko na so odwene wo ho a enko sika no wo de bebrew no wonder say na ote so no na pine ene oto de ma se fa koye kaya yu pine ene oto de ma se fa ne koye kaya yu pa wo pa enso ene sabi jiminti wo se yan tu nana kofa de mra ono oba ye wo de pen ni paper a show nsem se ko school free no wo se yan pam no ne yan kofa de o se yan fa koye kaya yu no ne yan fa no emra na se muti omaimu na se mo adwini ni a ye koso enti emwa we mu no Ghana for omukasa amumyenhwe omuyi now mawie quick response na yawie afi mumyenko ye main issue so na same omampanyi